welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda Beauties. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this back here. It is a craft table that I had been wanting already for a while. I'm going to show you a picture really quick of one that I saw in Wayfair, I believe is the online store. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so that was running over $500 and there was no way that I was going to pay $500 for a crafting table. It was way out of my budget. So I decided to go ahead and make one myself. So that's what this video is about how I created this crafting table back here. But also I just want to show you how I kind of organized my craft room slash beauty room, because I do have one room that is dedicated for crafting, but also my beauty room. So half of the room I use it for my DIYs and all my crafting, and then the other half is where I have my vanity and I put on my makeup. So I do want to give you a small tour of the section that I do use as my crafting area. I didn't film the before how it looked because basically it was just a table, but it was too low. And then next to it, I had a small bookshelf that would hold a few of my storage bins. It was not enough storage, so I needed a little bit more storage. So that's why I decided to go ahead and purchase some cube storage shelves. And with that, I ended up making this table here. So if you're looking for ideas in how to create your own space for crafting, I hope that this will help you as to kind of give you an idea in how to create your own space for a crafting area or a crafting room. So let's get started with this craft room makeover on a budget. Okay, let's get started. I purchased two 9-cube organizers at Walmart. These actually turned out to be the perfect height that I was needing. And here are all the dimensions of the organizer. I've laid out everything that came in the box. As you can see, everything is numbered. In case you're wondering, it was really easy to put together. I did it myself. And here is the instruction manual. It was really easy to follow and also came with the screws and everything that I was going to be needing to put it together. Okay, so I'm halfway done putting one organizer together. It was not complicated at all. Okay, so I've completed one organizer. Now it's time to move on to the next one. Okay, I've already completed both of the organizers. It took me about an hour to finish both of them. This is the table I was talking to you about, the one that I would use to do all my DIYs, but it was too low for me. Compared to the organizers, it is much shorter. I needed a tabletop, so I decided to use the table for the tabletop that I was needing. And so I decided just to fold in the legs and just use the top part of the table. So this is how my craft table turned out once I put the tabletop on top of both organizers. I did have an opening down the middle. I didn't want it to show, so what I did is I covered it up with a foam board. I'll probably be putting a piece of real board in the future, but for now, it's okay like that. Let's go into my newly organized craft room makeover on a budget. As you can see, I have plenty of storage now on both sides of the table. Now all I need is to buy more storage bins. I ended up using this shoe rack to place some more storage boxes. This wall shelf is a DIY I did a while back. I'll go ahead and link that video up above if you're interested. I hope that this video gave you some ideas for your own craft room. Okay, my beauties, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless. Bye.